In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover my lost or deleted Worldcoin. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So if you lost access to your WorldCoin account or accidentally deleted it, you can attempt to recover it by following these general steps. So first, check your email or documentation. So look for any emails or documentation related to your WorldCoin account. So this might include account creation emails, confirmation emails, or any records of your account details and login credentials. Now contact WorldCoin support. So reach out to the WorldCoin support team for assistance with account recovery. So provide them with as much information as possible about your account, such as your username, email address associated with the account, and any other relevant details that can help verify your account. Now provide proof of ownership. So if requested by WorldCoin support, be prepared to provide proof of ownership of the account. So this could include transaction records, screenshots of previous account activity, or any other documentation that demonstrates your ownership of the account. Now verify your identity. So also WorldCoin may require you to verify your identity to ensure that you are the rightful owner of the account. This could involve providing personal information or completing a verification process to confirm your identity. Now just simply follow any instructions provided by WorldCoin support to complete the account recovery process. So this might involve resetting your password, verifying your identity through email or other means, or restoring access to your account through alternative methods. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.